Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY project for you. I took a thrift store find and gave it a MARILYN makeover. I hope you enjoy. I came across this adorable little children's chair while I was out thrifting. It had a few dirty marks and some chips missing, but overall it was in good shape, and I paid just $5. I had a vision in mind that this would be a decorative piece in my home. Obviously it wasn't for sitting on, it was just for a decorative piece, and I knew this little chair would be the perfect start to my DIY project. I started by taking a sanding block and I sanded over the entire chair. I then took the little chair outside and using my favourite Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the colour Gloss Candy Pink, I gave it 2 coats. Once my little pink chair was completely dry, I then took this foam fill and I measured it to size for the base of my chair. Basically what I'm doing here is that I am measuring the foam and I'm going to cut it around the bottom of the chair, as well as cutting little corners at the back of the chair so that the foam will fit. So you see here I'm cutting little squares so that each corner of the foam will fit in nicely. I then picked up this canvas print of Marilyn Monroe off eBay. Now it's in an A3 size and I knew it'd be the perfect cushion for the bottom of my chair. Now again here I'm cutting Marilyn to size so it will fit the foam. I also cut Marilyn in the exact same way as the foam, leaving a little bit of overhang on the foam. I then took my trusty hot glue gun and I put a bead of glue around the entire square of the chair. I then took my foam and glued it in place. Now here I glued Marilyn to the top of the foam. Guys, I'd probably recommend here also only gluing around the entire perimeter of Marilyn. I did put a little bit of glue, which you'll see here next, in the middle of Marilyn's face, and I actually regretted this and had to remove this again off camera and then re-glue it, which you'll see. I started by tucking the back over the back of the chair and just tucked it underneath. Now, smoothing everything out, you can see here that I start to get some air bubbles. These will go away, but you'll see that I actually got them when I put the glue in the middle of Marilyn's face. I'd recommend not doing that. Once everything was glued down, it was now time to trim off the edges. I took these beautiful little pom-poms, guys, and I glued them around the entire edges of the chair. Now you will see here that you can see that glue mark from Marilyn. I actually fixed this off camera and you'll see at the end the finished result. So basically what I did off camera was at the top of the picture of Marilyn, I removed that and removed that excess glue over her eye there. So that way it would not stand out like it is in this particular clip. I wanted to share this part with you guys because I wanted to show you that sometimes DIY projects do go wrong, but there's always another way around it. You know, my initial reaction was, oh no, I think I've ruined Marilyn, but with a little bit of thought, I went back and I actually fixed the problem. My saying in life, guys, is truly to never give up, and that's what I did with this project. I then moved on to the top of the chair and I took this decorative letters and I spelt out the word Chanel. I then took these self-adhesive crystals that I picked up from my local dollar store and I added 2 rows onto each side of the back of the chair. I then decided that I wanted to add some flowers. So around the top of the chair, I also added a row of those beautiful pink foam flowers from eBay. I also took 2 white ones and I hot glued 1 each to either side of the top of the chair. And here is my beautiful little baby Bella wanting to assist with my filming of my cute little Marilyn Monroe chair. Guys, I encourage you all to shop in your local thrift stores because it's amazing what you'll find. I try to pop into my local stores at least once a week to look for things that I could possibly make over to do a DIY project for you. Guys, obviously this little chair is for decorative purposes only, but the possibilities for this one is endless. If you came across your own little chair, it could be perfect for a little girl's room. Just remove the flowers, maybe add them around the bottom of the chair so it could still be sat on. Or the possibilities are you could put Marilyn to the back of the chair and the child could sit at the front. Guys, this little chair would be the most adorable little prop for a little girl's Chanel birthday party. Just imagine all little girls standing around this little chair. You could even use it as a table centerpiece. The possibilities are endless. And who wouldn't love a photo with Marilyn? There are so many possibilities in the way that you could style this chair. I even thought it would look amazing in Tiffany blue and styling it up to make it look like a breakfast at Tiffany's. I actually have a picture of Audrey Hepburn that would have looked amazing also on this chair. Guys, I picked up this canvas of Marilyn from eBay, but I've since learnt that if you go into your local print shop, say a print shop that does big things, for example like t-shirts, they'll be able to take any print of your choice and put it onto canvas fabric. I actually have a DIY project coming up very soon of an actual adult size vintage chair. I'm doing a similar DIY project, but this time Marilyn's face will be at the back. So guys, be sure to stay tuned for that upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed my little DIY mini chair makeover. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to go check out your local thrift stores because it's amazing what you may come across. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more inspirational ideas, DIY projects and room tours, all here at Chelle's Glam Home. Also guys, if you'd like to see my next video, please don't forget to tap that notification bell. YouTube's been doing funny things to us YouTube creators, and a lot of our viewers aren't seeing when we upload. So if you just tap that notification bell, you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.